Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to finally go through the Chanel 23K collection. I feel like I'm probably the last person actually making this video, but you guys know I like to do these videos every time there's a new Chanel collection. So we're gonna do it anyway. So if you guys wanna know what I think about Chanel's 23K collection, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm gonna say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I feel like you're gonna be here when I do. If you like luxury, you like handbags, you like fashion, you like Chanel, you like the 23K collection, I feel like this is definitely where you're going to be. So you should subscribe if you're not already, and you should follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just the K Danger. I post every single day over there. Every day is a reel, outfit of the day, something on stories. We post a lot. We post a lot of stuff over there. So you should follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the video. Let me apologize in advance for this lighting. For some reason, it's not working out, and I have like 20 minutes before I have to go to work. So this is just what we're working with. Handbags, because obviously that's what we care about. Let's start with flat bags, obviously. First one I see here is small flat bag. So now this looks like a patent leather bag or patent leather, and it's 5,300. Is this like the size of a mini? I gotta say, I actually find this to be super cute. I don't really like this shade of pink. This does have just like a button closure. I'm assuming it's magnetic. I really do like this, and I feel like this is a little bit different. It's a little bit out of the box. I feel like I've recently become a little bit kind of bored with bags, but I feel like this is actually kind of really special because it has that camellia closure, and I think it's really cute. And 5,300 I honestly don't think is bad. It comes in black and white and red. There are two tweed versions, a black and white. I don't like that at all. Let me look at this one. This one's black and pink. I mean, it's slightly cheaper, but I don't like either one of them. I like the white version a lot, and that looks like silver hardware, which I honestly think looks really good. The black version is actually so black, which if you've been wanting a so black piece like myself, I have definitely been wanting a so black piece. I feel like this is a cute one, but it's also more expensive because it is so black. So black is usually more expensive, so just keep that in mind. But I honestly think this is one of the best pieces already. This is sequins, maybe? This is definitely gonna be price upon request. Let's just, before I even scroll, it's gonna be price upon request. Oh my God. This is the small flat bag, $7,400. It's sequins and ruthenium finish metal. This is okay. This is just not my favorite thing. It just has a lot going on for me. I don't really like sequins. I don't really like the fact that there's flowers and sequins and CC logos. Like, it's just like, take it down. Take it down. Next, we have another so black piece. I've seen actually a couple of people show this in like shopping vlogs recently. So this is a mini flat bag, 5,900. I think that's actually kind of expensive for what this is. But again, so black is always more expensive. I mean, this is not my favorite piece. I have to say, it's definitely not my favorite. I think the shape is a little weird. It just doesn't really look luxurious to me. I don't know. So mini flat bag. This is velvet. $5,000 for velvet. This has a little camellia on the front. I don't like this one. I don't like this one. I just don't like this one. I don't have nothing good to say about this. This is like a grandma bag. Like, I don't want that anywhere near me. Why'd they do this? They did the Pearl Crush so good. Was it last season or the season before, where like you could adjust it and then the extra strap was not dangling? They somehow made it like perfect, and now we were backtracking and we're making it ugly again. Okay, so that's good. Mini flat bag, 4,800. I really don't like this tweed whatsoever, and obviously I don't like the Pearl Crush, so it's a no from me, dog. Is this the Maxi 19? It looks like the Maxi 19, 6,700. I do not like this tweed. I know they came out with like some really nice tweeds in the 19 before, like the houndstooth ones. There was one that was like a champagne houndstooth, and then one that was like just white and black. Those were beautiful. This is not. Now let's do Hobo bags, because Chanel's been releasing a lot of those. Chanel Mini 22. This one is in caviar, and everybody's been losing their damn mind about it. $5,000 for this bag seems kind of like a lot, but I have to say I do like the Chanel 22 in the mini size only. In the mini size only, write that down. I don't really like this version. I feel like I'd rather have it in whatever it was in before. Was it like lambskin before? Calfskin before? Whatever it was in before, I want that version. This caviar version, I mean, you guys know I'm not the biggest fan of caviar anyways. I don't really like the fact that it's like so black lettering, but then the chain is gold. I don't really like it. I know a lot of people really like this bag, so I'm sorry if this is your favorite piece, but it's not mine. This 22 is super ugly in my opinion. I don't like this at all. Like, this looks like you would find this at like a mom and pop vintage shop, and like it cost you $100 max. So like, no, I definitely 5,500 for this. There's not a shot in hell. This is kind of cute. Let's see this Hobo bag. I don't like this color still, but 5,300 for this. This looks like just a cute little shoulder bag. Is that adjustable? Adjustable strap? Shut up right now. Wait, why is this not horrible? I mean, the color, horrible. But the bag, there's another large Hobo bag here. And this one, I don't like nearly as much as the other one. Like, this shape is strange. It's like a flat, like, envelope. It looks like the pouch that comes with the Neverfull. You guys know what I'm talking about. The little thing that everybody uses as a wristlet, okay? That's what this looks like, and I don't like it whatsoever. 5,800 for that. Super not worth it. Not even close. Chanel 22. This is also very strange to me. 6,400 for this. No, it's just not a thing. All right. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. So this is obviously the bag that everybody's obsessed with this season. According to Instagram and YouTube, this is called the Kelly bag. And I think this used to be called the Party Kelly. Correct me if I'm wrong. But it's just called the mini shopping bag to Chanel right now. So this is $4,400. This is the bigger size. There is like a micro version. This is coming in black, white, pink, and blue, I believe. Those are the colors. You tell me if I'm lying. And everyone's losing their damn mind about this. And I have to say, I'm part of it. I'm losing my mind. I absolutely love this bag. I think it's super cute. I think it's something that I could definitely see myself wearing. It's cute, it's girly, it's something different. Like I said, I've been craving something a little different. So I think it's a cutie, and I don't know, man. I gotta check it out. I gotta at least try. Small shopping bag, 5,300. What is this? What? How do you even open this bag? Like, why is there chain all around it? Oh, you open it with a turn lock. So what the hell is the point of the chain and the 3 compartments? I don't like this at all. Like, it's just like wide open. What's the turn lock even doing? Barely nothing. Barely anything. I absolutely don't like this bag. 5,300. This is probably one of my least favorite bags in the entire. What is that? What is that? We've got this one, which looks like it's your grandma's coin purse. $6,200. I do like this better than the other one. I will say that. Wait, what? There's the grandma's coin purse and there's like a little button closure. What's the reason? What's the reason? No. I almost was gonna say something good about this. You know that? I was so close, but I'm taking it back. Evening bags, because I know that there are definitely some evening bags in here that we're gonna talk about. There it is. The little camellia bag. I know this is gonna be so expensive. I'm feeling price upon request territory approaching. Oh my God, how small is this? This must be like microscopic if it's $5,400. Oh, it doesn't look like it's like a hard, you know what I'm saying? It doesn't look like it's hard. That's not what I want to say, but you get what I'm saying. This is honestly not a bad purchase if you wanted to get it in black and use it as an evening bag. I don't think that's a bad plan. White even. Actually, the white is probably my favorite. This looks super adorable to me. Hello, I really like this, guys. This looks like the first flat bag that we saw, except in like a really elongated style, which you guys know is like the thing right now. Everybody wants to chop off half a bag and just have their bags looking like a Kelly cut. And I honestly don't like the trend. I do like a couple of the bags that have that going on, but this is definitely not one of them. I definitely prefer the other version. And this is $5,700. And I think the other version was even cheaper. So it's like no brainer. Okay, this is the one that I think I was thinking about when I said that it was going to be price upon request. Yeah, there we go. That's more like it. This one is definitely, you can tell, like a very hard plexiglass. Oh my God, plexi. Listen, if you can own this and not drop it and break it immediately, like kudos to you, because I can't. This one looks like it's extra price upon request. Like regular price upon request would look at this and be like, I'm scared. Here we go. This is like another bag that I'm seeing people lose it over. And I cannot say that I understand this. I looked at this and I tried to get where everybody was coming from. I tried to understand the hype. I tried to get on the bandwagon. The bandwagon has left without me and I'm cool with it. So this is a small box bag, $5,300. Honestly, $5,300 for this is not a bad price. I really don't like this shape though. I know a lot of people are saying this reminds them of like doctor's bags way back in the day, and I get where you would get that reference, but why would you want to walk around with that as a bag? That's the part where I'm confused. This looks like it should have like tools in it, construction tools, or just like it's one of the lunch boxes that construction people used to have in the old days, where you open it up and then you have your little sandwich in there. You guys know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. There is a mini box bag. So I guess this is just the baby version of the other bag, $4,900. It's barely a price difference. Oh, I don't like this at all. This looks like one of Alana's pencil cases. Oh, what is with the folding there? Do you see that in the flap? I do not like this. Like, I super do not like this. I might like the other one even more than I like this, which is saying a lot because I don't like the other one either. All right, let's go to SLGs because as we know, that's where the party is. And I don't know, which one do I want to see first? Wallets on chain. You guys know I've been obsessed with wallets on chain, okay? Wallet on chains. Yeah, that's more English. So we have a Tweed 19 wallet on chain. $39.75. That price is outrageous for a wallet on chain, especially in tweed. And you guys know I do not like this tweed. So really, it's just an all around no. There's also a leather version, and this is in like a dark red shade. $4,100 for a walk. You guys, this is insane pricing. Absolutely insane. I will say I do like burgundy on this walk. I do think that's really cute, but that price is just really never gonna be okay. Another walk, but this one has a top handle. This is in that weird gray color again. I'm sorry if this is like your favorite gray shade. Like, if you love this color of gray, please continue to do that. I will just be here thinking it's ugly. So $43.25 for this. I do have to say, I do think that the wallet on chains that have a top handle add a lot to the bag. But again, is it worth $43.25? I'm gonna have to say no. There is a Pearl Crush wallet on chain in tweed, and I still don't really like this tweed. $38.75. At least the price is a little more reasonable, but not even really because it's tweed. But yeah, this is just really not my favorite thing. I really hate the Pearl Crush. I really don't like this tweed. I really hate the price. So that's pretty much where I'm at. So this one might be my favorite actually because it has a little camellia in the CC turn lock. Is this in caviar? It is in caviar. And it has camellias throughout the chain. Honestly though, I mean, $39.25, again, horrid price point. But I do think this is my favorite walk so far. Yeah, I'm gonna say it. This is my favorite walk so far. If this came in like a different color than black that I needed in my collection, maybe. You know what I'm saying? Maybe. Clutches with chain. Let's just prepare ourselves. There's gonna be a lot in here, okay? I feel it in the air. We have the same little mini vanity that comes out literally every season. I feel like this is pretty much a classic at this point. $3,600, still way too much goddamn money for this. It's too much. It's just too much. Let's look at this one. This one looks a little cuter, I think. Little top handle, $44.25. Oh my gosh, the price. Clutch with chain at $3,000. Like, I'm gonna imagine, this looks like it's a little hard, right? Yeah. I'm gonna imagine this is not even gonna fit AirPods. Like, not even the AirPod case. I mean, like the actual physical AirPods, I don't think are gonna be able to fit in this. This looks like it's gonna be teeny tiny, like that heart that came out a couple seasons back. That's what size I think this is gonna be, and it's $3,000. That is so negative worth it. Like, let me just tell you, it's negative worth it. Let's talk about the Micro Kelly. $3,000. Now, I have to say, $3,000 for this, I think, is a lot more worth it than some of the other things that we've seen. I personally prefer the bigger size. Like I said, I would rather get the bigger size if I'm gonna get it, if I'm gonna be blessed by the gods to get it. I would want the bigger size, but if I was offered this size and not the bigger size, I'm not saying I would say no to this size, but I will say I think it's smaller than my Micro Lady Dior. So this is my Micro Lady Dior. I feel like this is already a pretty small bag, in my opinion. I mean, this is the smallest bag that I own, so it's pretty small to me. And I think that it's gonna be significantly smaller than this from what I've seen on Instagram. I haven't seen it in person. So just keep that in mind if you're wanting to get this or whatever the case is. It's probably smaller than this. I think this is actually a different pink than the other pink, but even this one is not my favorite. $40.75. Wait, look at that. That little, oh my God, that little top handle is so adorable. It has camellias everywhere. Wait, I think this is really cute. Look at the little camellias, you guys. Okay, I'm sorry, this is cute as hell. I'm sure that this is so small. I mean, it's literally called a fold holder, so it's probably literally this size. But, well, maybe it's a little bit bigger because I have the iPhone 13 Pro, not Max. So it's probably bigger, but honestly, I don't hate it, okay? I don't hate it. It's cute, and it's actually gonna be way bigger than the Micro Kelly bag. Should I do boots? I'm gonna do boots, just in case. Oh, no. No, 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 no. Wait, I don't hate these. Wait a second. Short boots. Okay, well, there's no price here. These are in suede. These are honestly really cute. But there's no price here, so that's a little concerning. This is definitely the pair of shoes that I like the most in this season. Just This is the only one that I like, not even the most. This is the only one that I like. So that is the entire Chanel 23K collection, at least everything that I wanted to talk about. Obviously, my favorite thing is gonna be the Kelly bag, just like pretty much everybody else's. I think it's really cute, and I really am gonna try my best. I'm gonna try my best to get my hands on it. I also really like that other flat bag that has the camellia and it's in patent leather. I think that's beautiful. The wallet and chain that I saw that was in black with the camellias throughout the strap, I think that's beautiful. The phone holder that has the little top handle with the camellias, that's also beautiful. So those are definitely my favorites. Let me know in the comments what your favorites from this collection were. I'm dying to know what you think about it. What do you think about the Kelly bag? Are you in the majority, everybody who's like obsessed with it? Are you in the minority of people who is just like, I don't see the hype behind it? I will say, and I'm admitting this openly, if there was not so much hype around it, I probably wouldn't be as interested in it as I am, but I do still think that that is a shape that I would get a lot of use out of. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, but that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Hurry up, you don't have a lot of time.
Yeah, you need to get out so I can finish.